you're looking for a new location for a pre-existing business or somewhere to launch your new venture, Westpark in Wellington could be the most fantastic location for you. Located just off of the M5 junction 26, on offer we have multi-functional business units that can facilitate all kinds of different business needs. Let's take a look around. So we're in Unit 1. This is a full mezzanine unit that offers just under 2,000 square foot altogether over 2 floors. This unit is the last classy unit on site. This opens up to be used for a multitude of different businesses, such as a cafe. All of these units are going to be built to an EPC grade A, benefiting from extra installations, solar panels to keep the running costs down and keep the business as profitable as possible. If you feel like this unit would facilitate your business and you'd like to arrange a viewing, please get in touch. We're more than happy to show you around.